welcome to Resident Tech Forum. So today in this video we are going to do unboxing for a very powerful and compact, I would say, desktop PC, Intel NUC. And let me show you. It's in my hand right now and it's almost 12 inches, right? It's quite lightweight, tons of port, matte black finish, right? But why a compact PC? So if you are into gaming or you want a very good media console for yourself, I think Intel NUC make a perfect choice, right? So let's look at 360 view here, and you don't have to zoom it. Okay, we can. Sorry, let me not zoom it, but we'll start from here. So you can see a lot of port. This is the front panel because you have a nice finish button. Here also you can see on my hand. It's not very clear though, but on the screen you can watch, right? And as we go, it's very quiet and sleek matte finish. This is the back panel where you have the power plug. Okay, let's go into specification a little bit. This NUC, you can customize it very well. So it comes with some defaults, but you can go ahead and customize it. Like you can choose to use 16 GB up to 64 GB of RAM. Then you can choose storage up to 8 TB of NVMe storage, which is, I think, in my view, is fantastic for this small form factor. Okay, and then you can go ahead and ask for an operating system. You can get Ubuntu, you can get Windows pre-installed with license, and they all add up a little bit extra cost, right? Then let's talk about, so this is the feature, this is all the ports available on this PC, and let's talk about the overview a little bit. So this, what is unique about this PC is it has a very good partnership or unique partnership between Intel and AMD. Intel CPU, AMD GPU, there is a GPU already inbuilt, but you can go ahead and order a dedicated GPU, which I have done in my case. And Wi-Fi 6 enabled, Bluetooth 5, a lot of ports, even the Ethernet ports is a multi-gig ports. That means one is 1 gig and another is 2.5 gig. So if you are connecting any access point or something, perfect suitable for that. USB-C, USB-B, and charging ports as well. So what it makes a fantastic gaming console. So if you are into gaming and you are want to play high graphics games, I'm not so much into gaming, but I'm going to start with this, and I'll post the reviews. So you can play those games on this easily. And streaming console, so you can put it in, under your TV cabinet, and it really make a very good media console for streaming. All right, so what we are going to do now, I'll show you the real unboxing so that you know what to expect. And at the last, we are also looking at, since I ordered this with Windows, so I have added Windows initial setup, which is like a workflow, and I'm not going to talk about that. I'll let the video play. Interested users can watch that, but let's first go ahead and unbox it. So for that, I'm going to play the video, a pre-recorded video, and speed it up a little bit. Okay, so here you can see we have I have received this in an Intel NUC nice box. It's a quite sturdy box, and on the box you have all the specification printed. Once you open the box, this is what you are supposed to see, and I really like that gaming sign, the skull, right? And I'll show you what is the cool about that skull logo. So right now you can see it's a very nice black matte finish, all the ports neatly. I have actually tried putting all the console cable. The ports are very well designed. It doesn't make it like congested that one cable is very close to another. and it doesn't also affect the airflow. This is also pretty quiet. Okay, on my screen you can see once you unbox it, you are going to get the adapter. Adapter is quite big and powerful one, right? Um, then this is um, a faceplate, so you can put it behind that, and maybe you can hang it on a wall near to your workstation. Yep. So that it can get the proper airflow. Okay, this is how this is going to face the wall, the faceplate. And now let me unclutter my desk, and you can see. Now I'm going to plug the necessary one-time setup like the USB, mouse, power, and keyboard. Okay, here I'm talking about different ports, as you can see very closely. So you have 4 USB, 2 Ethernet, and USB-C, um, power plug. This is the front panel where you have the power switch, and then a couple of USB-B and USB-C port. Some ports can provide power as well, USB, which can be used as a charging port as well. Then now let's connect the peripheries for one-time setup. Now, obviously, you can keep it running if you don't want a remote access. You can connect it to a monitor and just use it like a desktop. I am planning to use it on demand with a remote desktop. So that's what we will do. In initial setup, I'm going to just enable remote desktop. Okay, now you have periphery are plugged in. So I have my monitor plugged in. I have power cable inserted, USB and mouse. Sorry, keyboard and mouse. Everything plugged in here. Now we are ready to power it on. Yes, this is the power plug button, and voila, this is power on. And now you can see the skull logo has glowed up all of a sudden, right? On this very smooth surface, when it was powered off, you cannot even see it. As you power it on, it uh, glow up. All right, now this is the initial operating system setup part. I'm not going to talk about it because I'm sure you have done it like multiple times whenever you buy a laptop or a machine. But if you are interested, continue watching that. Basically, what we are doing, we are setting the location, date and time, connecting it with the Wi-Fi, uh, and then update the software, and you are ready to go. Yes, obviously I'm going to enable the remote desktop so that I can put it in the internet closet and I can access it on demand. Okay, so I'll let the video keep on running, and let me know if you have ordered one for yourself in the description section. Thank you.